How to find Snapchat friends near me? For that, open the Snapchat app. Make sure to log into your Snapchat account. Now tap on bottom left corner's Snap Map icon. Once you get access to the Snap Map, make sure you have turned off the ghost mode on Snapchat. For that, go to the settings icon at top right corner of the screen and you have to toggle off the ghost mode. When you enable the ghost mode, your friends can't see your location. So turn off ghost mode, you have to choose who can see your location. So you have to select my friends. Once you have done that, let's come back from here. And you have to tap on stay here and save the changes. Once you get out from your settings, as you can see all the friends near you, you can also tap and open their profile and see their stories as well. So in this way you can easily find Snapchat friends near you. If you look at the map you can see all the friends near you. So that's how we find Snapchat friends near me. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.